My name is Shaumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined blog. In today's blog, we will be talking about the queries which are keep on coming about the market. A lot of clients have sent me that whether the market is overvalued or market is undervalued, they should take an exposure in equity or they should not take exposure in equity, and what is the outlook is all about. See, market outlook is very difficult to give, and I do not like to give any precise kind of outlook. What I like to say is that market reclaimed the 18,000 level today, but there are always been a positive and negative news. We have seen that SIP investment in India has crossed approximately 11,500 crore level. That means through SIP, investors are pouring money into the market of approximately 11,500 crore per month. On the other hand, Fed has given a clear indication that they are going to hike the rate at least 4 times in next 1 year. So if there is a hike happens, okay, which is expected, then obviously the foreign outflows will happen, and which may lead to some kind of market correction. But the way the domestic investors are putting money into the market, I do not see there is a major correction right now into the market. There may be a smaller correction, and correction is a healthy sign of a market, so it should happen. But I do not see that market can go beyond 16,500 level sooner. Now, the part is that where the market is going to consolidate. I think 18,000 level to 18,200 level would be right now a position of consolidation. Market will consolidate in between, but it will not breach 17,500 level in probably by next expiry. It may go down to the 16,500 level, but that looks very unlikely as of now. If it breaches that level, then obviously it moves into a bear territory. But because of other global cues and Indian cues are concerned, and the governments are going to announce the budget before the 5 state elections and all those things, I do not see the government will take any drastic steps where market will lose the confidence. Because anyway, market is a reflection of the economy to some extent. So I would recommend you that if you are investing lump sum, I think you may stay away from investing lump sum in mutual funds or any products which you choose. You may take the advantage of mutual funds through SIP way, because SIP invests the money in a staggered way. So obviously if the valuation is high or it is 18,000, it can come to 16,000 level, or for example, then obviously you can buy it at both the levels and can get the advantage position. If I talk about the sectors, I personally believe that banking sector is really undervalued sector, which may grow. HDFC Bank is one of the major part of that sector, which actually has not performed and mostly dumped by the foreign investors. I think this can reverse in probably next couple of months. Third thing is that I can see there is a growth can happen in pharma sector as well, and if government push in budget, then cement and infrastructure sector may start doing well. So these are the sectors where you can do it. IT sector will remain bullish, because I think that next decade also the IT will be one of the best performing sector, because nobody can catch IT because that can become get the revolutionize things. But if India wants to become a $5 trillion economy, and that is which is expected, then obviously banking sector needs to perform, which is already underperformed. So my suggestion would be that you need to talk to your investment advisor or financial advisor to know which funds actually into those kind of sectors, what kind of exposure they are giving, and how they will perform in next couple of years kind of a time. So if I talk it in a nutshell, there are few sectors which are undervalued, few sectors which are expected to do well, but I strongly recommend that you must talk to your financial advisor or investment advisor to more about it and invest the money as per your suitability. You should not carried away by a video or by a WhatsApp or by a paper newspaper that any sector can do well and you should put money to that sector. If it suits you, then only you should do it, else you should not. This is the recommendation I believe, and I think the market will remain range bound at this point of time, and with some capping on the growth part as well as some capping on the downside. So this is the analysis I find as of now today, but maybe scenario can change in equity market in couple of days. It may change, but again I'm telling you, your investment advisor will be the best guide for you on this part. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, you may share it, you may subscribe to the channel. We'll keep on coming with this kind of videos on a regular basis. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.